Welcome to Expat Choice TV. I'm your host, John Gordon, and today, once again, we visit China Collection, which is located at 252 Joo Chiat Road, and we meet up with Doug, the owner, who's going to share his wisdoms about some of these beautiful pieces.
So this is a 19th century red and gold scholars cabinet from the northern Chinese countryside, from the greater Shanxi region. We sourced this particular piece from Tianjin, which is a city in northern China, close to Beijing. So this is a traditional red and gold scholars cabinet. Typically these pieces would have been used to store things like books, calligraphy, or valuables, anything that the family might consider, that they wanted to keep safe in their home. The red and gold colors are very auspicious in Chinese culture. They symbolize bringing luck and fortune, and red is the traditional color of Chinese weddings as well. So these types of cabinets were typically given as wedding gifts.
So there you have it. China Collection embraces the workmanship of the artisans that have gone before us. And here in Joo Chiat, you can get in touch with these beautiful pieces at China Collection. This is John Gordon reporting for Expat Choice TV.